lahat.
After a long and beautiful journey, here we are, married. 10 years ago when we first met, during our company's sports fest parade, I already liked you. Gusto na kita, but after that days and weeks passed without seeing you because of our different schedule and days. Then it all started from mom and sir, to friends to something more.
Pasensyahan mo na kung araw may di maialay, pati ang buwan di masungkit, bituin ay mapaparam.
I never imagined I'd be this lucky. I never thought I'd find someone who would love me deeply, so genuinely, deads na deads, and who will treat me right. You showed me what real love looks like. You taught me how I deserve to be treated. You showed me that when someone truly loves you, they will do everything to make you happy and complete.
Pati buhay ko sa'yo'y ibibigay. Mahal, hanggang sa dulo ng buhay, ako pa rin ang iyong
10 taon na tayo magkasama.
gagabay.
Parang roller coaster ride.
Kahit
Puno ng saya, iyak at tawanan, pero look at us now. Ikakasal na tayo. See you later, Babuya. I love you so much. My soon-to-be husband. Asawa ko, 28.
At Gmail.com.
saan mo na
Kung mapapanood mo to, thank you so much sa regalo mo. Mahal na mahal kita. See you sa honeymoon.
Sa honeymoon, hindi sa
Simbahan pala mo. See you sa ito.
Ngunit pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay tunay, araw-araw, lagi-lagi kitang pagsisilbihan. Huwag ka sanang magaling.
Nasa punto na ako ng buhay ko na kung hindi ikaw, wag na lang. Hindi dahil sarado na ang puso ko, kundi puno na. Ikaw ang laman. You know that I don't promise anything to you, but right here, right now, at this perfect place and time, as we make our hearts as one, I'm breaking it.
You have reached your goal. Your dream to be wedded in the church. You're already taken by Chok. Chick na take out ni Chok. So, cheers and congratulations. I also dream one like this, of course. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ma.
Halos 3 bilyong tibok di nang binila. Bigla na lang.
Thank you for playing a huge part of this special day. Jo Marie and Irene. Thank you,
Sa pagtagal ng
Loy, puyat man o maraming tulog, alam ko andito ka lang sa likod ko. Ganun din ako sa'yo.
Kung may extended kapatid ako, ikaw ang extended pinsang. I love you. I love you, sis.
Okay, ako.
ikaw ang kasama.
Ate, your love wasn't always soft.
Thank you for shaping us and teaching us how to survive the noise and chaos of life.
You became my person, the one I can always count on. No matter the distance, I always feel your love.
And I never expected na magiging ganito tayo ka-close. Cheers to more wins for us, sis. I love you. I love you. Wow. Congrats!
So wakas, kapiling ka na. Natakot pa ako na mag-isa. Mundo kong malabo, kinulayan mo.
Jo Marie, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makalis ang dibdib si Irene Crisel na iyong iyong makamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay. Irene Crisel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jo Marie na iyong makamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Nandito ka na, natakot pa ako.
I will love you unconditionally. My life has become infinitely beautiful because you were there. You are in it.
I choose to love you not just for who you are now, but for everything you are becoming. I love you so much, asawa ko.
In this world full of uncertainty, I will be your definitely. Love. You're my Joma.